What's up, everybody? This is Ken. I am back with another hopefully helpful video. Should you keep your home link if you have that enabled in your car, or purchase the MyQ subscription for the MyQ garage door opener? I have tried out MyQ for a little while since it was released on the holiday update in December of 2022. They're pretty much both the same. It's a hit or miss when you're arriving home or when you're leaving home. More so when you're leaving home, sometimes it don't close the garage. I always keep the handy garage door opener just in case, so I don't have to get out the car and do it myself. So the MyQ garage door opener has many more advantages, in my opinion, than just the home link device. As long as you have internet, you can use this no matter where you are in the world. You can check the status of your garage. As right now, it says that my garage door is open. So if I was in another state, it would still show me the status of my garage. If I'm in my home area, it tells me. Once it's closed, it will show closed. HomeLink does not do that. It doesn't know that the garage is open or closed. Another advantage of MyQ Garage, you can just pay a subscription instead of having to pay $300+ to get HomeLink and have it installed, do a service appointment, which could be inconvenient to some people. Another advantage of MyQ Garage for your Tesla, you can program unlimited devices. With HomeLink, you can do up to 3. Some advantages of HomeLink is you don't need an internet connection at all. It's just like this garage door opener remote. It doesn't need a connection. It just works. If you're at your garage, it's gonna work for the most part. That is huge for me. What if I'm away from home? Somebody drove to my house. I need to let them in the garage and my internet is down. It won't work at all. But then people ask, well, Ken, what would you do in that situation? Well, I have MyQ on my phone because I have a MyQ enabled garage door built in. Usually at the top, it will show what your address is, down arrow right there. And it shows the current status that the garage is online. And then if I want, I can click on it, close it, no matter where I'm at, because this is all internet based. And you see the little video feed because I do have a MyQ garage door camera. We're not going to talk about that. But they do have like advertisement for Teslas, you can see right there as well. So I always have control. I just load up the app. So it's really not an advantage for me to use it. I have to go to the car, then I have to open the garage through the car. No, I can just pull up my phone, which my phone is always on me, and remotely open or close my garage. But I'm going to show you in this video why I will just keep the home link, because it just works. Since I already have this functionality with MyQ, even before I put it in my car. So let's go turn off my Wi-Fi. So I just turned my Wi-Fi off. It's not on. This right here usually is green because it's connected to the internet. So everything should be going down. Let's go back to the car. So I'll skip forward until this basically says offline so I can know for sure that it's not connected at all. So finally it's showing offline on my phone, as you can see. And also right here, it has a red X. So I can't do anything. Can't activate the garage. There's no internet to my garage door. Sucks no matter where I'm at. I don't like that. But if I hit HomeLink, no matter what, the garage is going down. Just like that. Let me reopen that. So that's the advantage I really do not like about MyQ. Now, what's the chance that your Wi-Fi will go out? Probably not too many times. What if there's bad weather? It depends on your location. It doesn't matter. It's important. So once I turn back on my Wi-Fi and it's connected, then it will go back online and it will function as normal. Hopefully this helps someone, you know, the differences between the two. Didn't want to go too in depth with it, but let me know. What do you think? What do you have if you have a Tesla, HomeLink, or MyQ? Leave me a comment in the description below. If you have any questions, I'll cancel this MyQ garage door here shortly. This YouTube Ken. See you in the next video.